Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to build a DIY LiPo battery charger that can easily charge 2, 3 or even 4 LiPo batteries using just a single mobile charger. To build this charger, we started with 3 wire connectors that were already on hand. Next, we took a blank PCB board. I carefully cut it to the size we needed using scissors, but you can trim yours based on your own requirements. Just make sure the edges are clean and smooth. Once the PCB was cut, the next step was to securely attach the 3 wire connectors to the board, as shown, to guarantee stable and reliable connections in the circuit later on. Soldering the connections. Once the connectors were secured, I chose an appropriate wire for the connection. Now it's time to solder it carefully at both ends, just as I'm showing you. Make sure your solder joints are clean, firm, and free from any loose connections. A solid joint ensures both stability and efficient current flow. With that, our soldering for this part is successfully done. First, we've taken a wire, and now we'll make the connections. Just follow the same steps I'm doing. After that, take 4 more wires and complete their connections the same way. These wires were available in my materials, so I used them from there. The soldering needs to be done very cleanly and carefully. Once done, the wiring will be ready. Now we've taken 3 charging modules, and using glue, we'll fix them properly in place. The modules are now securely attached. Next, we'll complete the final connections. Make sure to follow my wiring method exactly for the best results. Charging this type of battery usually requires a costly, high-end charger. However, the charger we've built provides the same efficiency and performance at a significantly lower price. You're working with 4 wires here, so it's extremely important to connect each one carefully and correctly. Make sure none of the wires are misplaced or touching the wrong terminal. A single wrong connection can damage the circuit or cause malfunction. Take your time and double-check every wire to ensure everything is properly set up. Let's quickly finish all the wiring. Make sure every connection is tight and accurate, or else the circuit won't work. While we finish the connections, go ahead and like the video. As you can see, all the connections are complete. After that, we've added a 5 volts jack, connected properly as well. Next, we built the body using a PVC pipe. We also made 2 strong sheets, both crafted from PVC material. Using a pencil, we marked all the alignment points. You should mark them exactly like I'm doing. PVC is extremely durable though, and that's exactly why we chose it for this build. We've carefully cut the sections where we had marked earlier. Next, we drilled 3 precise holes for the indicators. Using glue level, we'll now start sealing and assembling the entire body. Wherever we've made holes, we'll carefully place and secure the components, something that bonds firmly and lasts long. Let's fix everything neatly, and while we're at it, don't forget to like the video. When assembling the circuit, make sure to fix everything carefully and precisely. No 2 wires should accidentally touch or cross each other, as that can cause a short circuit. All components are now perfectly fixed in place. Finally, we applied a smooth coat of paint, and as you can see, it's looking clean and professional too. We're going to fully enclose the body of the project now, so let's begin. While we carefully seal everything using glue, make sure you're watching closely. The full body is now completely covered and secured. Let's move on to testing. First, I've taken a charger and plugged it in. By building this LiPo battery charger yourself, you'll not only save a significant amount of money, but also gain the satisfaction of creating it right at home using minimal resources. As you can see, the green indicator light is glowing. That means the charger is working perfectly. Next, I connected a LiPo battery for charging on, and here comes the second light, confirming it's charging successfully. Green and red lights are on, 100% working, which means the circuit is working just as intended. Friends, I've put a lot of effort into creating this video for you, so if you found it helpful. Finally, I've connected another LiPo battery to test further. And once again, the system works flawlessly. All lights are on. Everything is running at 100%.